Yo, what's going on, yo? Alex Jenkins checking in. We're back looking at XLK, the Select Sector SPDR Trust Technology Select ETF that's inside the S&P 500. This is a tech stock. It's inside S&P 500. So we're doing an update. So we already know that it did come back and retest up here. At which price? This is the high is 134.50. It did retest, and the next day it came here and gapped down, and it started to move down to the level that we spoke of in the prior video. So right now we're in buy territory. If it decides to disrespect this area, it'll be a price right here at these areas right here. Let's go ahead and put a line there. This is a possible price here. It may, if it were to disrespect this area, but this, I doubt it does, because we're in our buy area. So we'll go here, we'll make the color, we'll make it white since it's the new video. So if it does want to decide to get disrespectful and go further to the downside, it may go down here. But we're in the buy area right now, so if you want to enter the market on the buy side of things, you want to put your stop loss or in this area here between 128.68.3 and 127.72. And you can possibly move, catch a buy on the buy side. And also, this is just for educational purposes. You don't have to do anything. This is something that, you do your own analysis. I should have a disclosure in here. This is not for people that, this is not, you do your own analysis. I'm just doing analysis here. You can make your own decision. It's your money. So, I am not a person that works for a firm, anything like that. So you're responsible for your own things, your own money, and own decisions that you decide to make. You did not make the decision decided because of me. But this is an area of support and resistance, and this would be an area I would enter a trade, or possibly, but I will continue to watch the trade. But things are working out just fine, as what we spoke about the other day. We have one more trading day to see what happens tomorrow or tonight, or later on. It's 4:43, so we're talking about a few hours from now. We'll see how this day opens up, and we'll see where it can continue to go for the end of the day. Today is Friday, so today is your last trading day. So, you go by your own rules, your own schedule, but we're just kind of looking at this thing together. That's pretty much it. We're looking at this thing together. Just, for your newbies, just something just to look at. Don't try to make no action on this or respond to this. Just listen and learn. But just a little update, guys. Just a little update. So Alex Jenkins checking out.